Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm just gonna give you an update of what's going on. So I got almost everything ready. I'm just gonna do my brakes. I already have my disc and my axle, so I'm just gonna figure out the way to put this guy to connect it to the frame and get it ready. And then I just have to do the steering wheel. After that, I'm gonna take the tires, everything out, paint the frame, come back, put it all together, and that's gonna be pretty much it. I got my brakes already, I've already installed it. I'll take it off because I'm gonna start taking everything apart, and I have to paint the frame before I put it all together. But I just finished my steering wheel, so it was a pain, but I got it done. Remove everything from the frame. Now I just have to re-weld a couple places where I can get to it when it was the other way because the tires were attached to it, but now turn around and I can weld these parts where they need to be done, and then I'm gonna paint it and put it back together. I already got the filter, aftermarket filter for the engine, so I'm gonna install it so that be ready when the frame come back and put it all back. Engine is complete. I think I got everything in it. The thing I have to work on is on my muffler, but I think I'm gonna wait until I got everything done so I can figure out how to pull it out on the side of the truck or anywhere I want to put it. So that's it's not a big deal. So. Frames painted, so now I just have to put it all together. Need to figure it out, my muffler. I think I'm gonna try to go out on the side. The only thing I need to do, I need to put oil on the engine, figure out where I'm gonna put my gas tank. I think I'm gonna put it somewhere inside inside of these parts. I have a lot of space and I have a really good size gas tank, so I need to figure that out. Pretty much is done. I have my steering wheel. We're getting there. I want to show you what I've been working on. I put some LED lights in the front, and I just finished connecting and attaching it to the front. And I connected to the battery already. They are really bright. I think they're gonna be pretty amazing at night. So, all right, guys, it's ready. I apologize for the waiting. I've been working really hard on this thing, and it's been a lot of fun, but a lot of work too. So I'm sorry the video is kind of late, but here it is. So let's get into it. Guys, so sorry it takes so long before I did an update on this thing. It's running. I'm happy with it. The only problem, I had a couple of small issues. Number one is the muffler keeps falling off. The clamp come with, it's not really strong, so it's not keeping it in place. But I gotta figure out the way to make it stay. So that's not a big issue. The other thing is my chain in the front is skipping sometimes, so you kind of mess things up, but I just have to make it shorter. Not a big deal either. I'll try to make a longer video, but it's kind of nasty outside. The day is not really nice to record, but I will make another video. I just gonna repair that small details and then it'll be 100% ready. So Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe. See you next time.